Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See this problem. Here how to find average power absorbed by 6 kilo ohm resistor. So here 6 kilo ohm resistor is connected at the output. So if you know output voltage V0, so from that we can easily find I0 value. Now here how can you find V0 value? When you observe carefully here, the given circuit is inverting Opamp circuit. Why means this inverting terminal, that is neutral terminal, was connected by a source. So the given Opamp circuit is inverting Opamp circuit. For inverting Opamp circuit, this is input impedance and this is the feedback impedance. So let's consider this is input impedance with Zi and this is feedback impedance with symbol ZF. Now first of all calculate Zi and ZF. So Zi equal to, so here resistor is given as 4 kilo ohms and inductor is given as in impedance, that is J3 kilo ohms. So just add these two values, means R1 plus R2 or Z1 plus Z2. So Zi equal to 4 plus J3 kilo ohms. Next ZF, that is feedback impedance, that is 2 plus J4 kilo ohms. And this is input voltage, that is 4 with phase angle is 45 degrees. Now for inverting Opamp circuit, we know input voltage output voltage relation, that is V0 equal to minus ZF by Zi into Vi. Now substitute ZF and Zi here and Vi is, this is, so it becomes, so minus of ZF is, this is 2 plus J4 kilo ohms by Zi is 4 plus J3 kilo ohms and input is Vi, that is 4 into with phase angle 45 degrees. So here KK will cancel and it remains minus of 2 plus J4 upon 4 plus J3 into 4 with phase angle 45 degrees. So this is called as output voltage. So this is the voltage, output voltage exists at this 6 kilo ohms and minus J2 kilo ohm resistor, means across these two terminals. Now across this we have V0, we know. Now from this we get impedance. By applying Ohm's law we get current I0 value. So let's see here. So here let's consider load, that is ZL. So ZL equal to 6K plus minus J2K, but 6 minus J2 kilo ohms. By applying Ohm's law we will get current I0 equal to V0 by ZL. Now substitute the values here. So V0 is, this is, so just simply divide it. So divide by ZL, that is 6 minus J2 kilo ohms and LHS by ZL. So it is nothing but I0. It becomes, that is I0 equal to, here no need to simplify, we will simplify at last, that is 4 plus J3 into, so it becomes numerator here, that is 4 with phase angle 45 degrees upon 6 minus J2K. So bring this kilo ohms to the numerator, it becomes milli. So I am writing rightly here, so it becomes milli amperes. Now we have I0 value, which is the current passing through 6 kilo ohm resistor. Now we can easily find the power absorbed by 6 kilo ohm resistor, that is power absorbed, that is equal to magnitude of I0 whole square into R. Here R means 6 kilo ohms. Now find the magnitude of I0. So that is, here no need to simplify into single complex number. So in the numerator one numerator, here complex number is there, here is a complex number but in the form of polar form. Here complex number is there, here complex number is there. So at that time, how can you find the magnitude means? So magnitude of this into magnitude of this divided by magnitude of this and magnitude of this. So let's see here. So magnitude of 2 plus j4, nothing but root of 2 square plus 4 square. Means for a complex number, whenever given, that is x plus iy, so its magnitude nothing but root of x square plus y square. Now apply this, you will get magnitude for this complex number, that is root of 2 square plus 4 square. Next here it is a polar form. Here magnitude is already given, that is 4. So into 4 upon, now magnitude for this complex number, that is root of 4 square plus 3 square, and for this root of 6 square into 4 square. Don't forget here milli is there, so it is nothing but 10 power minus 3. Now so apply square into R, that is resistance 6 kilo ohms, 6 into 10 cube. So by using calculator we will get this value, that is equivalent to 1.92 milliwatts. So this is the average power delivered to the 6 kilo ohm resistor, or it is called as absorbed by the resistor. And this is the process of simplification. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.